Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can see the print cost in Orca Slicer. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to actually put the thing that you want to print on your plate. In my case, I'm going to be putting this project right here that I have, and then I'm just going to resize it to wherever you want to. Of course, if you make some changes like increasing the size or decreasing the size, it will take effect on the cost itself. Same thing if you have changed the infill, something like increasing the infill density, and the infill pattern will go ahead and take effect on the cost itself. So to get started, you just want to click on the slice plate option at the top corner of your screen. And then inside this page, make sure that you are inside filament. So it's going to be this one. And right after, there's going to be the filament change time, which is going to be 0 since we only used one color. And below that, you have your cost 0.67. And so that's how you simply do this easily. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.